It's Food Brainwash, boosting your cooking knowledge. In today's episode, we're going to be making super easy mayonnaise. So now we're going to make our mayonnaise using our immersion blender. We can put all of our ingredients in together. This is a really easy method of making mayonnaise. Now I'm going to add in my lemon juice, my pepper, my sugar, my salt, and lastly my mustard powder. Now I'm going to add in my oil. Put your immersion blender into the bottom of the jug. My immersion blender goes on a low setting and then switch on.